Hi there everybody, my name's Joe, I'm the watch manager for Rocks, Diamonds and Thrills. We are at the launch of Zenith Watches in our beautiful Glasgow Argyll Arcade boutique. We've managed to borrow some of the really exciting watches for you to have a look at. So, the one we've got here right now is the Zenith Defy Lab. There's a lot of noise made in watchmaking circles about new technologies and new advancements, and really not a lot of it is actually that different, but that is what we've got presented here right now. This is a completely new design. Zenith themselves say that it's the first development and improvement of the balance design that was released in 1675. So it's pretty big words coming from Zenith. The movement in this is the calibre Z0342. It was designed by a genius called Guy Simon. The movement in this timepiece, instead of having a conventional balance wheel and lever, has a single piece, a single silicon wafer called the Zenith Oscillator that Zenith say replaces 30 individual components. It's pretty incredible stuff. There's a lot of material out there if you want to get into the details of harmonic oscillations. It gets pretty heavy pretty quickly, so I won't go into it all now, but there's a lot of information out there, and I would suggest if you're interested you read up on it because it's pretty interesting stuff. The difference it makes for you and I, you just know it's something completely different. It looks different from the dial. You can actually see the oscillators moving inside the dial of the watch. It's pretty incredible. But Zenith were not satisfied just by releasing a wildly different movement. They also are debuting a new metal with this watch. It's an aluminium composite called Zenith. How they make it is they create an aluminium open pore foam, and then they fill the voids in that foam with a lightweight polymer. The result is that you get a material that is 2.7 times lighter than titanium, 1.7 times lighter than solid aluminium, and even 10% lighter than carbon fiber. It's incredible stuff. It also looks pretty cool as well. Honestly, as someone who works with watches and is genuinely interested in watches, this is one of the most interesting pieces I've ever seen. The entire Zenith collection is available to look at or purchase in our Glasgow Argyll Arcade boutique. It's also available online at rocks.co.uk. If you have any questions, please get in touch, come and talk to us. We'd be happy to show you the collection, and we will find you the watch you're after. Thanks a lot.